Nothing is better than working together. Our brand new features allows you to collaborate. And I will show you how that works. This is the overview of my maps. Here's a map on which I want to work with all of my colleagues on. In the upper right corner you see 3 little dots. After clicking on them, I am able to choose the option Share. You see now, already 5 persons can read and write on this map. To add one more person, you have to search for that user. That means you have to know the username. Now I'm searching for our Infinity account. After just 3 characters, there are several recommendations. After selecting the right user, I apply on the Apply button. Now the other user can see the shared map in his own My Maps overview, and we can work together on it. It is possible to give the added user different rights. Here you can choose between owner, mapper and reader. Owner have all rights possible on the map. Mapper can read and make changes to the map, and at least reader can only read through the map. And how does this similar working look like? Look at this. Now 5 persons work on the shared map at the same time. Every cursor is named with the username and has a different color. You can see all the changes in real time. Isn't it great?